Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin XRP. XRP is an OG coin. When moon for XRP. Currently XRP is trading for $0.36 from the all-time high for XRP in 2018 at $3.9. XRP has dropped really low. XRP dropped to as low as $0.12. Right now it's at $0.36. Should we start buying more XRP right now? When will the lawsuit get settled? In this video, we're looking at important resistance level that XRP will have to clear through before we can see new all-time highs in this relief rally. Right now, the altcoin market is pumping really hard. We've had a green month in the altcoin market. We've had a green week in the altcoin market. Should we start buying more XRP? We'll also be looking at XRP performance against Bitcoin, XRP performance against Ethereum, and then we'll look at how high XRP market cap can go in this relief rally. Can XRP set new all-time highs in the bear market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. If you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term trading, investing, or holding XRP, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, we're having a green week in the altcoin market. We're having a green month. Altcoins are popping. We're going to the moon. Altcoin season index is showing us that right now we're in alt season. But the $1,000,000 question, why is XRP not pumping? XRP has not been pumping since when XRP bottom right here, when the market crashed around $0.29. XRP has just returned only 26%. What's wrong with XRP, and what will XRP face significant resistance if we are going to be pumping to the moon? Guys, let's take a look at what XRP has been doing in the last 1 year. In the last 1 year, XRP is down 64.7%. In the last 1 month, XRP is up 11.7%. In the last 1 week, XRP is down 1.7%. This is the XRP US dollar price chart from 2014 till 2022. XRP is one of those OG coins in the crypto market. We have more than 7 years worth of price history for XRP. We have seen XRP go through multiple crypto bull runs and bear market. Right now, we're in the crypto bear market. Let's look at what XRP did in the previous bear market. When XRP was launched right here in 2013, it rallied well against the US dollar. It went up over 2,100% in 120 days. Then what happened after that? XRP dumped. And guys, why am I showing you this? I'm trying to show you this because all coins are risky to the upside and to the downside. To the upside, all coins can make you very, very rich. They can pump well to the upside, but to the downside, they can dump really hard. XRP lost 95% of its value in the next 200 days. Back to the launch price. Then what happened? XRP pumped again. So I'm showing you this, that XRP can pump thousands of percentage points at the same time. It can lose more than 90% of its value in the next bear market. The turning point in XRP was February 2017. Guys, if you bought XRP at $0.0056, you are one of the luckiest individuals on the planet, because that was the last time XRP was there. XRP rallied to as high as $3.8, $3.9 on some exchanges. That was a 67,000% pump in XRP in just 301 days. Crazy returns if you invested $1,000 in XRP right here, February 2017. Guys, at the top of the market right here, you got to cash out more than $677,000. But with all the huge pumps in crypto, you expect some huge dumps. And right now, XRP has been feeling the effect of that pump. We have been dumping really hard. XRP lost more than 96% of its value in just 800 days. Guys, that's another important thing with all coins. All coins, even the bear market, when they are dumping and Bitcoin looks as if it has bottomed out, as if we have gone to the new bull run, a lot of these all coins will not pump till the ending phases of the next bull run. It took XRP more than 800 days to lose another 96% of its value. When we had the next bull run in 2021, all coins were pumping to the moon. XRP started the first half of the bull run very, very well. It started pumping. It went up more than 500% in just 252 days. And then bad news hit XRP. The SEC sued Ripple, which in turn affected the price of XRP. XRP price tanked. Even though XRP recovered to finish the bull run really strong, XRP went from as low as 0.17 to as high as $2 in just 105 days. But guys, we couldn't set new all-time high for XRP. That was a very, very bad taste for XRP holders. We couldn't set new all-time highs. If we use the Fibonacci retracement tool for XRP, from the top of XRP that happened in December 2017 to the bottom of XRP that happened, a lot of XRP holders were expecting the XRP to get to as high as $10, maybe $15. Some people are calling for $1,000. $589 XRP. But guys, let's take it step by step. Right now, the rev rally is happening in the altcoin market. Altcoins are pumping really hard. You can see that Ethereum Classic is up 143% in the last 1 month. Flow is up 72%. Celsius is up 127%. We have Lido Dio up 247%. So why is XRP not pumping? Guys, for XRP to pump, we need to pass through some important resistance level. The first resistance level XRP will need to clear is the 0.43 level. That level has been a very critical level for XRP over the years. You can see right here from 2017 May, XRP was rejected off that level, and when we came back, we blasted through off that level, went to new all-time highs. During the 2018 bear market, that was the line in the sand. XRP was bullish above it, XRP was bearish above it, and when XRP lost the 0.43 level, we couldn't confidently reclaim it till 2021, and after we claimed it, SEC sued Ripple. We went below it for a while. That was another good buying opportunity right here. In 2022, guess what, guys? We took a chill period around there before we finally went to Goblin Town. Is it the bottom for XRP in this bear market? Is XRP going to go below 0.29 during the bear market, or is this the final bottom and you will not have the chance to buy XRP for 0.29? Maybe we'll just start going to new all-time highs. And that important thing I picked out in the XRP US dollar price chart, guys, that when XRP start pumping, it doesn't take a long while to pump, but when it pumps violently to the upside. Look at the pump XRP had in December 2017 to January 2018, guys. It just took XRP 38 days to go up over 1,600%. Look at this other pump XRP had here in the same 2017, guys. It took XRP just barely 77 days to go up over 7,000%. Look at this pump XRP had right here. It took XRP how many days? It took it 168 days to go up 1,000%. And this pump XRP had right here, it took XRP just 112 days to go up over 2,000%. So patience is very key if you're holding XRP. Yes, we're going to see new all-time highs for XRP. If you look at the RSI for XRP right now, the RSI is in historical regions. Anytime the RSI has come to this level, this has always been good buying opportunity. As a matter of fact, the RSI for XRP right now is at an all-time low. And history has shown that anytime the RSI comes this low, that's a very good time to buy XRP. Yes, it may not feel well at that point in time. Right now, it may not feel as if this is a good time to buy XRP because every altcoin is going to the moon. The altcoin season is showing us that right now we're in altcoin season, and when you see that anytime we're in altcoin season, it means altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin. It means 75% of the top 50 coins in the last 90 days are started outperforming Bitcoin. And history has shown that anytime we go to this region, this is the time you want to be selling your altcoins. This is when altcoins are popping. Anytime we're in Bitcoin season, that's when you want to be in Bitcoin. Right now, it looks as if altcoins are going to be the gig. And look at some technical details about XRP. XRP is currently ranked number 7 on CoinMarketCap. XRP is trading for $0.36. In the last 1 year, XRP has gone as high as $1.41 and as low as $0.29. Currently, XRP has a market cap of $17 billion. We have 48 billion XRP in circulation, which represents 48% of the maximum 100 billion tokens. Where can you get some XRP if you want to get some to hold during the bear market? You can get some XRP on Binance, on FTX, on KuCoin, Bitstamp, Coin1, Hubo Global, and guys, anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. Very popular altcoin XRP. We have 1.6 million people tracking XRP progress at this moment. Why do you want to hold some XRP during the bear market? What makes XRP unique? The XRP Ledger presents a wide variety of application and use cases related to payments, including micropayments, DeFi, and NFTs. Deployed in 2012, the XRP Ledger supports enterprise and Python JavaScript developers with powerful utility and flexibility. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be getting some XRP right now during the bear market? XRP looks as if it's not pumping, but guys, if we look at XRP previous price history, we know that XRP, when it pops really hard to the upside. So maybe, just maybe, this is the time to buy XRP because we might start going to the moon. Look at XRP's valuation against Bitcoin. XRP used to have its moment against Bitcoin. Right here in 2014, XRP went up more than 1,500% against Bitcoin. In 2017, XRP had 2 huge bull runs. It first went up 6,800% against Bitcoin in just 84 days. And the second bull run he had in 2017, XRP went up more than 2,000% in just 49 days against Bitcoin. But since 2018, guys, we have not seen any of these kind of mad pumps in XRP against Bitcoin. XRP has been losing value crazy against Bitcoin. XRP has lost more than 96% of its value against Bitcoin. When will the switch be flipped? When are we going to see XRP start outperforming Bitcoin, guys? I believe at some point in time in the future, we're going to see one of these long dildos happen again in XRP. We saw it right here in 2017 twice. We saw it in 2014. We even saw it when XRP was launched. I believe at some point in time, we're going to get one of these dildo, but nobody knows the time. Let's take a look at how XRP is performing against Ethereum. Against Ethereum, XRP has not been performing really well from when Ethereum Ethereum was launched in 2015 because XRP was actually created before Ethereum. XRP lost more than 99% of its value in the next 600 days, but XRP rallied. It rallied and recovered. It couldn't set new all-time highs. It gained more than 3,000% against Ethereum in 651 days. But guys, since December 2018, XRP has been setting lower highs and lower lows against Ethereum. It almost set a new all-time low right here, but history has shown us that this has been a good buying opportunity. Should we start flipping our Ethereum for some XRP right now? Because if you did that in April 2017, you would have been happy you did. Even if you did that during when the SEC sold Ripple, you would have been happy you did. And right now, XRP is consolidating in that region. Will this be a buying opportunity, or will XRP finally break below this support? This level has acted as support for a number of years. Since 2017, this level has acted as support for XRP. Will XRP finally break below it and continue losing value against Ethereum as we head towards the merge? Or are we going to see XRP pumping to new all-time highs against Ethereum? Only time will tell. Guys, if you take a look at XRP market cap, XRP market cap has come a really long way from 2014, when XRP market cap was just a measly $240 million. XRP market cap went to as high as $140 billion in 2017. Mad pump to the upside for Ripple, mad pump to the upside for XRP. But guys, with every mad pump like this, you expect consolidation and mad dump to follow it, and that's what happened exactly to XRP. After that kind of crazy pump that XRP had from 2014 till 2017, 3-year period of continuous up only, XRP dump really hard. Since then, XRP has lost 96% of its market cap. XRP market cap came to as low as $5.7 billion during the COVID sell-off. Right now, XRP has a market cap of $17 billion. The high XRP market cap got to in 2021 was $80 billion. We couldn't set new all-time highs, but guys, I believe at some point in time in the future, we are going to see all-time highs for XRP market cap. XRP market cap can get to as high as $600 billion. Right now, it might not look phantomable, but guys, for XRP market cap to get there, we're going to see XRP pump to the moon. From where we are right now, XRP market cap will go up more than 3,000%. Is that possible? Can we see XRP increase more than 3,000%? What will happen to the price if XRP goes up more than 3,000% on its market cap? XRP will be trading for around $10 to $11. Do you think XRP will trade for that high? Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What will you be doing to XRP during the bear market? Will you be buying more XRP? As you see, altcoin market is pumping really hard, even though XRP is not pumping. So will you continue accumulating XRP? Will you be selling to the pump, expecting lower prices? Or will you just be hodling through all the chaos? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.